Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace the front vacuum tube on the 7th gen Nissan Maxima. The same part is for the Altima and Muranos. All of that will be in the description of the video, including part number. We're going to be replacing this piece. So the camera's out of focus. So it got two hoses, one up here, and one down there. And then it got three 10mm bolts. So I'm going to set you on the tripod. So we're going to take out the first 10mm bolt. It doesn't matter which order you do this in. All three bolts got to come out anyway. And we're going to disconnect the hose. You can see right there. Now we're going to take out the second 10mm. And then lastly, we're going to disconnect the other hose that connects to the bottom. That's so. And now I'll proceed to remove the last 10mm. Alright. So now we're going to take it out. And then get our new one. And start putting the 10mm bolts back in. Now I'm going to tighten the three bolts and then just reconnect the two hoses, upper and lower. Okay. Alright, now just reconnect the hose. That's so. You're going to push the hose all the way down to the lip that you see right here. So that's all the way down to the lip. Now we're going to do the bottom. The same thing, up to the lip. And that's it. That's how you replace a vacuum tube on the Nissan 7th gen Maxima, Altima, and Murano. I believe that's all the vehicles. If not, everything will be in the description. So I hope you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.